Hi, today I'm going to be making a blinker for you. The blinker is going to be a bourbon cocktail served up. It's got a little bit fruity of a base. It's got 4 ingredients here. So we're going to start with a ½ ounce of raspberry syrup. Pop that in our tin. Then we are going to do 1 dash of Peychaud's here. Peychaud's is a nice little bitter. It's got a wonderful little pink color there, which should spruce this cocktail up nicely. Then we're gonna add an ounce of our grapefruit juice. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of our bourbon. Right up to the top there. Go ahead and fill this all the way up with our ice. Get it nice and emulsified when we shake it up. And we're gonna go short to big. And look at that. Voila. Blink, blink. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.